us look at the proper way to answer a question with mind. Mind simply means to dislike. So when you are asked a question like the one we have on the board, what is the proper answer to give? Do you mind some water? Simply means, do you dislike some water? If you don't want water, then the right answer will be, yes, I do. Meaning, yes, I don't want some water. Yes, I dislike water at this moment. But if you want some water, then the right answer will be, no, I don't. Meaning, bring the water. I want some water. I hope you learned something new today. Please like our videos, share them, follow us on Facebook and on all social media handles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you, and God bless you.